Ooh-wee. Well, I stated earlier, I said that I would hit the button. So, with that said, we will hit the button together. Oh, she was going to bed? Oh, okay. Because she said she was coming. What do I know? She's not there. Oh, let me go into studio. Okay. So, here we go. Y'all ready? Let's count down. We need a countdown. We're going to start from 10. Let me see some tens. We're going to count down from 10. Drum roll, please. 10, 9. I see a 9. 8, 7, 6. Hi, Rena. 7, wait, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the button. Push the button. There we go. You have reapplied. Got it. We will review if your channel follows YouTube channel monetization policies. We'll email you a decision, usually within a month. Are you serious? Usually within a month. Well, damn. Got it. Well, we will see. In the meantime and in between time, I'm still going to do my thing. Ashy behavior.